Hello, my students. Hope that you are doing great. Okay, so let us see. In this session, we're going to just solve a few exam questions on the arithmetic progression so that we see how the examiner asks questions on this topic. Now, number one reads, for the sequence 25, 22, 19, and 16, find the formula for the nth term. Now, for you to find this formula, you're going to use the formula for finding the missing term. Okay? So say equals n minus 1 and then d. So that is what you use to find the nth term, the formula for the nth term. So we need to find our common difference. So we use our formula for finding the common difference. So this will be equals our T2 here. This is 25 is the first term, 22 the second term. So say 22 minus 25. So our common difference will be negative 3. Okay, so we replace in our formula. So we say the nth term is equals the first term is 25 plus, why there's n, just leave it like that because you have not been given any value to replace on n. So it's minus 1. On d, we have negative 3. So nth term will be equals to 25 plus, okay, negative 3 times n. You break what is in the brackets with negative 3. Negative 3 times n, it is the negative 3n. Okay? Negative 3 times negative 1 is positive 3. Okay? So, this will be equals to 25. Positive times negative, it is negative 3n plus 3. When you reach there, you collect the like terms. So 25 and 3 are like terms. So the nth term will be equals to 25 plus 3. You get it the way it is with a positive sign because it won't change the sign. It is not crossing any negative sign. Okay? So minus 3n. Okay? So when we calculate this, 25 plus 3, it's going to give us 28 minus 3n. So that is the formula for the nth term. So if we want to find the next term in this sequence, we're going to use this. Let's see what we mean. So we say, let's say I want to find the fifth term. The fifth term, so I say T5 will be equals to 28 minus 3. Why there's n, we put 5 for the fifth term. So this will be equals to 28 negative 3 times 15 times 5, that will give us negative 15. Okay? So when we work out that from 28 you take away 15, you have 13. So meaning our next term here will be 13, like that. So that's how you find the formula for the nth term. Number 2, find the sum of the first 20 terms. So sum, we use the formula. We use this formula, finding the sum. Okay, we use this formula for finding the sum. There. So we're saying the sum of the first 20. So your n is 20. So where there's n, we put 20. So we say 20 over 2. Like that. I hope that you're following. I hope that you're following. So say 2. Where there's a, we put 25. Which is the first term. That plus, where there's n, we are putting 20 minus 1. And where there's d, the common difference is what? Negative 3. So we put negative 3. So when you reach at that point now, you work out. You simplify your equation. This will be equals 2 into 20, it's a 10. That 2 times 25 to give you 15. Plus, from 20 take away 1, it's a 19. There you have your negative 3. Okay? Hope you're with me and hope you're following. So now, when we multiply there, 19 times z, so let's say, so this will be equal 10 brackets, so this is 50 plus. Okay? So when we work out 19 times negative 3, what are we getting? We're going to get 50 what? 57. So it's a negative 57. Like that, negative 57. So sum of the first 20 terms will be equal to 10 brackets. Negative times the positive here, it will give us what? It will give us a negative 57. Like that. So sum of the first 20 terms will be equal to 10 in brackets. From 52, we take away 57, we're going to remain with the negative 7. So sum of the first 20 terms will be equal to 10 times negative 7 to give us negative 70. There. You have gotten your marks. As simple as that. As simple as that. Okay. Let's go to the next question. Here for the sequence 14, 17, 20, and 23. Find the 18th term. So we know the formula that we use to find the missing term. Tn is equals to a plus, okay, in brackets n minus 1, and then your d there. So let us find the common difference. So I'm going to say d is equals to term 2 minus term 1. So this is our first term, this is our second term. So we're going to say 17, we take away 14. So that will be what? 3. So our common difference is 3. So from there now, we're going to replace in the formula. So say, where there's a t, where there's n, we put the 18, because we're finding the 18th term. So the first term is 14 plus, say 18 minus 1, and the 3 there. Okay? So our next step will be this 14 plus, from 18 you take away 1, remain with this 17, and you have your 3 there. Okay? So this will be equals to 14 plus, so when you multiply 3 times 17, what are we going to get? 3 times 7 to give us what? 21. Say 1 we carry 2, 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2 is 5. So you have your 51. Okay? So when we add there, so the 18th term will be this plus this is 5, this plus this 6. So we have 65. That will be your 18th term. As simple as that. The last question. We're finding the sum of the first 30 terms. Sum of the first 30 terms. Now, how do we work out that? So we use the formula of finding the sum. So we say S n is equals to n divided by 2, brackets 2a plus n minus 1, and then d there. Okay, so where there's n, we are putting 30. Where there's n, we put 30, like that. Where there's a, we are putting 14, which is the first term, plus. Where there's n, it's 30 minus 1. Where there's d, the difference is 3. The common difference is 3, like that. Let us work this out. So this will be 30. 2 into 30, it is what? 15. It goes in 15 times. Okay. 2 times 14, that is 28 plus. 30 minus 1 gives us 29. 3 there. Okay. I hope you are following the steps that we are making. Okay. So this will be equals. The next step will be like this, 15. So we have 28 plus. So there, 3 times 29. It will give us what? 87. Okay, we have 87. Like that. Okay, I hope you are following. So we add this. So we're going to say 30 is equals to 15. So 87, 28 plus 87. What are we getting? 28 plus 87. We're going to get 115. 115. Okay, so this means the sum of the first 20 terms. 15 times 115, it will give us 1,725. Yeah. So that is how you work out such questions. So these were exam questions. Practice, practice, and practice more. Okay, as you prepare for your exam, make sure that every day you solve at least 1 hour plus solving, serious solving. Then you're going to see that things are going to change. So thank you very much for watching.